Making sense of infinitives without to. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on English language learning. Today, we are going to dive into a unique aspect of English grammar. Verbs that do not require to before an infinitive. In English, most verbs are followed by an infinitive with to, but there are exceptions, and these are what we are going to focus on today. So, grab your notebook and let's get started. Normally, when we use an infinitive verb in English, we add to before it, like in, I want to eat pizza. But some verbs are special. These verbs can be directly followed by an infinitive without using to. Some of these verbs include let, make, see, hear, feel, and help. Here's how they work. Let, she let her brother drive the car. Make, they made me do the dishes. See, I saw him run to the store. Hear, we heard her sing a beautiful song. Feel, I feel my heart beat faster. Help, you help me understand English better. Notice how these verbs are directly followed by another verb, without the to. Now that we've learned about these unique verbs, let's get some practice. Here are some sentences. Try to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. 1. They let her, blank, play, with the dog. 2. Did you hear him, blank, speak, earlier? 3. We felt the ground, blank, shake, under our feet. 4. The teacher made him, blank, write, an apology. 5. Can you help me, blank, find my glasses? Did you fill in the blanks? Great! Here are the correct answers. 1. They let her play with the dog. 2. Did you hear him speak earlier? 3. We felt the ground shake under our feet. 4. The teacher made him write an apology. 5. Can you help me find my glasses? And there we have it. Today we've learned about verbs that do not require to before an infinitive. Remember, while many verbs in English require to before an infinitive, there are exceptions like let, make, see, hear, feel, and help. Practice makes perfect, so keep using these verbs in your English sentences and you'll master them in no time. I hope this lesson has been useful and enjoyable for you. See you in our next video, and happy learning!